friends, welcome to our channel Magic World TV. Let's unbox a huge variety of some animal toys. We have some sea animal toys, some farm animals and some wild animal toys. So let's get started with some wild animal toys. So let's unbox the wild animal toys, learn the names of some wild animals. So our first animal is a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros have these beastly horns on their head which are actually very deadly. Rhinoceros are beastly animals which are herbivores and found in the regions of Africa. Next up is a camel. A camel is a desert animal. A beautiful camel. Next animal is a wolf. Wolf is a carnivorous animal. It's also a wild animal. Our next animal is one of the most beautiful animals in the world. It's a zebra. A zebra is a herbivorous animal found in the wild forest of Africa. Let's see which animal is next. It's a giraffe. A giraffe is the world's tallest animal. It has these spots on its body which protect it from the UV sun rays. Next up is one of the most beastly animal in the world. It is an alligator. An alligator can weigh up to 1,000 pounds and their eyes glow in the water. An alligator. Our next animal is one of the most powerful and fearless animal in the world. It's a lion. A lion is a beastly animal. It is the king of the jungle. His dark mane is actually the proof of a lion of being a leader. A kangaroo can jump very high with the help of its strong tail and strong feet. A kangaroo. Next up is a reindeer. A reindeer is a wild animal which belongs to the antelope family. A reindeer. Next up is a tiger. A tiger is a wild cat with orange fur and black stripes. It's one of the most beautiful carnivorous animals found in mostly India. A tiger. Now let's unbox some farm animal toys. They are also called barnyard animals or domestic animals which can be kept as pets at your home. So let's see which animal is first. It's a sheep. Our first animal is a sheep. A sheep gives wool, milk and meat at the farm. Sheep. A beautiful sheep. Our next animal is a pig. Pigs are also kept as farm animals at the farms. Pig. Next one is one of the most cutest animal which could be kept as pets. A rabbit or a bunny. A rabbit. So the next animal is a goat. A goat. Goat. The next animal is a donkey. A donkey is one of the most social animal to the humans. A donkey. A beautiful donkey. Here comes a horse. A horse is also a farm animal and can be found in the wild. Horse is one of the most beautiful animals in the world. Horse. Our next animal is a cow. A cow gives milk and meat at the farm. A cow. A black and white combination cow. Our last animal is a ram. A ram is actually the male of a sheep. A ram. Now let's unbox some sea animal toys and learn their names. Our very first animal is a seal. A seal is a big-sized mammal which lives in water as well as in land. A seal. A seal is one of the most cutest water animal ever. Our next animal is a gray whale. A gray whale is one of the most largest water animal. Next animal is an orca whale. Orca whale is also known the killer whale. They have these sharp teeth which can kill. Our next animal is a shark. A scary shark. Sharks can be very deadly and they have sharp teeth which can kill. Shark. Next up is an octopus. An octopus has 8 legs which are also called tentacles. Octopus. Seahorse. A seahorse. Our next animal is a sea turtle. Sea turtles are one of the cutest sea animals. Sea turtles can live up to 100 years in water as well as in land. Next up is a humpback whale. A humpback whale is one of the heaviest water mammals. A humpback whale. Wow, we have a beautiful stingray. Do you know that stingrays have their mouth underneath? A crab. A crab, a beautiful crab. Our last animal is a hammerhead shark. Their heads are just like hammers. Hammerhead shark.